Identity by Thomas Bailey Aldrich, 1836 to 1907. Somewhere in desolate windswept space, in twilight-land, in no man's land, two hurrying shapes met face to face and bade each other stand. "And who are you?" cried one agape, shuddering in the gloaming light. "I know not," said the second shape. "I only died last night." Okay, this is a poem by Thomas Bailey Aldrich. He was an American poet and writer and editor. He was born in Portsmouth, New Hampshire, and he's part of the New England 19th century American literary scene. For a long time he was the editor of Atlantic magazine, and normally his poems are, say, romantic poems. These romantic poems about the beauty of nature and the feeling of love, the beauty of the natural world, and the ideas of love and loss. Now, this poem is about death. This is about the afterlife. This is life after death, what happens to us after death. And there are two souls, for want of a better word, who meet in some ethereal realm, some strange place, and I think neither of them are aware of their identity. I don't think they know their existence. They're in fear and confusion, and one asks another, "Who are you?" And the person replies, "I don't know." And this is suggesting a loss of self after death. They don't remember who they are. And this actually, to me, reminds me of the Greek underworld, where we have the river Lethe, where you drink from the waters of the river Lethe, and you don't remember your life on earth. You forget the earthly realm, and you are now part of a new world. But both of these souls, they seem very worried, very shocked by where they are. They're frightened, they're confused. Somewhere in a desolate windswept space, in twilight-land, in no man's land, two hurrying shapes met face to face and bade each other stand. So somewhere, we don't know where, some desolate windswept space. So this is rather negative. This is a desolate windswept space. It's blown by the wind and it's desolate. There's nobody there. So they're in the middle of nowhere, in twilight-land, twilight. So it's not a place with bright sunshine. In no man's land. No man's land is normally when there are two sets of soldiers who are fighting, and the area between them is no man's land, in a land belonging to nobody. Two hurrying shapes met face to face. I wonder why they're hurrying. I think they're hurrying because they're frightened of what's following them. And they bade each other stand. So stand, stop, wait. So they met each other face to face, and they said, wait. "Who are you?" cried one agape. So agape, to gape is with your mouth open. Shuddering, trembling in the gloaming light. So gloaming is a dark half light. to gloam. This gloam is quite an old-fashioned word. The gloaming light. It's the gloom. It's a gloomy light. So who are you? I know not, said the second shape. I only died last night. So suddenly we realise that these are two dead souls, and this person says, I only died last night, so I've only been here for a few hours, but there's this frightening atmosphere, this haunting atmosphere, and this is it's echoing this Victorian idea or preoccupation with the afterlife. What happens after we die? Yeah, what is the afterlife going to be like? And this is a very worrying view or glimpse or idea of it. Identity by Thomas Bailey Aldrich.